Hello, and welcome to January 28th. Alphas have a new leader with XHB at 28%, and they're 21%. 21% there. So we have 21%, and it's a put, and we have the high is here at the top of this candle. Our next leader in positive territory is ITB. ITB is running here. It is also a put, and it is the high of the candle. Reminder that this is the stochastic strategy. That is when stochastics go into the high or overbought territory, we look for a downturn, and we look for a downturn with a confirmation from the RSI and a dropping of the MACD histogram, and then enter at the bottom of the candle for the trade, and that's a put setup for stochastics going in the down direction. Uh, RTX joined us today. It fell back to 31% right out the bat. We had a pretty good fill, but we had a gap situation occur. All right, that concludes the alphas. Let's go on to the more fun part, and that is we're going to go over to the euro. Here is the euro. And what's really fun about the euro is that we're trading in the 1 minute time chart. Now, this is one of the things that's becoming very popular in today's trading world, where we're older generation, we're taught to buy and hold. Then after that, we're told to buy, take profit off the table, let price drop back, and buy back in again. And then we moved on to now to options, stock options, where we're doing options trading on the stock. And pardon me, talking too fast. And the result is that we have to wait 2 or 3 weeks, maybe a few days, for options to come out and get the money. That has changed in the new rapid world of technology. We are now in day trading has now become the mainstream. And the point of what day trading is, you have to watch out when you're doing day trading in stocks. You have to have an account over 25,000 to avoid day trader rules. Remember, we last week I got hit with two, and this got down to a one, and it was pretty scary because if I got hit with one more, and then one more after that, the account would have been frozen for 90 days. So, uh, the idea is that here in the forex world, we are no day trading rules apply. Then look, candlestick studies, moving averages, price channel, all this applies. It's a matter of you handling, can you handle 1 minute kind trades, or you come down and pick another time. Look at all the times you have to pick. You can pick a two, three, four, five, all the way down here, and you can even go to customize. So that is the advantages of forex trading and the binary trading, where it is the next arena for me. And so in forex trading is be just the same as any of the stock operation. You see a trend line going down, you see price dropping, you say, okay, look, if price drops below here, I'm going to enter and go with I'm going to sell the euro, buy the dollar. That's how the term is used here. The euro is the primary, the USD is US dollar is the secondary, and then you would go ahead and say, okay, I'm buying in here, I'm selling, which is a put. You're selling the euro, and then the euro drops, and your value goes up, and then you say, okay, oh, we got now a flat bottom, and we have a little bit of a spinning top, and then you get out here and take your profit off the table. That's the way it works. Uh, and it takes a little bit of study to understand the forex. And I am not a forex trader. I am a options trader going into binary options. Now, why binary options? Well, binary options, the action um is very straightforward. If you see an opportunity, like let's say we have a double bottom here, and I say, okay, the next candle is going to be in the upside, I take the trade, and the trade ends in the green, I end up winning the trade. If I say the trade, I see a red, and I see there's going to be a red, the next one, I take the trade. If I got a green and I go for a green and it goes to red, I lose. And that's binary options. And binary options, the advantages in binary options, you can set your level of trade. Now, I'm going to be starting off at $1. It's going to be a big account, but it's going to be at $1 to get further experience and see how it's going to all work. Also, to the platform that I'm going into has a proprietary software that's going to come with a different set of rules of getting in and out of the trade. So, Forex, for those who want to continue doing candlestick studies and traditional way of entering into a trade, is your game. Go for it. The beauty of it is that you can start with a small account. It's going to take time to build up, but the point is that if you got the time, and apparently a lot of people have time and they need the money. The good part about Forex trading and the binary trading is that you can have the money in your bank account in excuse me, in hours. Now, I have not experienced that yet. So this journey is beginning when I get into the binaries. Oh, in the next week, which is already, I got my account executive has confirmed that my account is ready for binary trading starting sometime next, so hopefully Monday. We're gonna start seeing how that is all going to transpire. That's the proper word. Yeah. So, and also too, another thing about this is also just to go and look at Bitcoin. Here's the Bitcoin chart at 1 minute, and you can see if you were a 1 minute trader on Bitcoin and you're looking at this kind of an action again, candlestick studies, it's all here. It's all the same. There is a slight there. Now here we have volume showing up on the bottom panel here. I'm not too crazy about that because it takes up a lot of space on my computer, on my screen. I'm a little bit jealous of real estate, but the bottom line is there it is. And I do have a Bitcoin position in my intermediate account going from taking the money from the Tigers. Remember, we took the money from the Tigers. It was set over to Coinbase. At Coinbase, I did buy into a BTC trade, not a BCP purchase. There's a difference there. The reason you're trading it, and then Coinbase is backing up with the money, and then I'll be going to BCC later, BTC. Anyway, the bottom line is that somewhere around here this morning, I think it was somewhere around 33.7. I think I got in. I got in around 33.7, and now we're up to 34,300. No, that now I don't have 33,000. It's the Tigers' money. The Tigers only had 5,000, so this is probably maybe about 5,200, 5,300. Not a lot of money, but it's enough to see it in action and then also getting familiar with how this operates. So there is the surprise for today was looking at the Bitcoin for those who are not familiar with it in the 1 minute chart and looking how to trade it. I mean, consider if this is a dip, standard good old dip, right? High on the left, high on the right. Enter here on this high, and that entry high would have been at 33,431, and then you're up to 34,300. That's approximately it's about almost $1,000. It's $1,000 here at 15 minutes after the hour, and then it reached the peak here at 16. Remember, these are 1 minute candles. 1 minute. So I need to read that better. Yeah, that's 1 minute. So it's actually 1554. And way up here, it reached the peak at 1617. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. About 23, 24 candles, 23, 24 minutes. That equates to $1,000. Well, with that said, more as we explore this world of binary options, and I thank you for stopping by and checking it out. Bye bye.